Hi, I'm Thomas Knudsen. I'm with you here at ISE Amsterdam 2020. I'm from DALI, Danish audiophile loudspeaker industries. I'm here to present you the brand new wall speakers from DALI. We look here at our new Phantom M-250. They are very shallow design, only 10 centimeters deep. They come with the wood fiber cones in the woofers, very high quality dome tweeters. They are all made in-house at DALI ourselves. On the other side of our booth, we'll take you over to our M-375, which is a bigger brother of the M-250 you just saw on the other side. Here, as an extra thing here, it comes with a hybrid tweeter module. The hybrid tweeter module belongs both with a dome tweeter and a ribbon tweeter. It can be turned around as well, so it can use as a horizontal speaker or like a center speaker. You can read more about Phantom M products on the website of DALI, dalispeakers.com.